Welcome to this ship-to-shore communication simulation between MV Precision and Batangas BTS. In this scenario, MV Precision, an inbound cargo vessel from Iloilo, is requesting permission to enter Batangas port. The communication follows standard maritime procedures, using VHF channels, ensuring safe and efficient port operations. Now, let's begin the exchange of messages.
Batangas Port Control, Batangas Port Control. This is MB Precision, MB Precision, MB Precision. Do you read loud and clear? Over.
MB Precision, this is Batangas Port Control. I read you the loud and clear. Report your intentions. Over.
Batangas Port Control, this is MB Precision. We are now inbound vessel requesting permission to enter Batangas Port. I request changing the channel to channel 12. Over.
MB Precision, this is Batangas Port Control. Change to BHF channel 12 for further instructions. Over.
Batangas Port Control, this is MB Precision. Changing to BHF channel 12 out.
The communication now shifts from VHF channel 16 to VHF channel 12 as instructed by Batangas BTS.
Batangas Port Control, this is MB Precision on channel 12. Over.
MB Precision, this is Batangas Port Control. What is your ETA at pilot stations? Over.
Batangas Port Control, this is MB Precision. My ETA to pilot station is 0-100 hours. Local time 30 of October. Over.
MB Precision, this is Batangas Port Control. What is your call sign and draft? Over.
Batangas Port Control, this is MB Precision. My call sign is 3 Foxtrot Echo Delta 3 and the drop is 1.2.3 meters. Over.
MB Precision, this is Batangas Port Control. How many persons on board and what is your gross tonnage? Over.
Batangas Port Control, this is MB Precision. I have 3-4 person on board and my gross tonnage is 23,210 metric tons. Over.
MB Precision, this is Batangas Port Control. What type of cargo do you have and please confirm your cargo weight? Over.
Batangas Port Control, this is MB Precision. My cargo is iron ore and my cargo weight is 12,340 metric tons. Over.
MB Precision, this is Batangas Port Control. Do you have any dangerous cargo on board? Over.
Batangas Port Control, this is MB Precision. Yes, I have 2.5 liters of IMDG Class 3. Over.
MB Precision, this is Batangas Port Control. Confirm your current precision and speed. Over.
Batangas Port Control, this is MB Precision. Current position is 13 degrees 45.6 minutes north. Longitude 121 degrees 03.8 minute east. Speed 12 knots reducing. Over.
MB Precision, this is Batangas Port Control. Confirm if you require tug assistance. Over.
Batangas Port Control, this is MB Precision. Negative. We will maneuver using our propulsion. Over.
MB Precision, this is Batangas Port Control. Confirm your last port of call and if you have any safety instructions. Over.
Batangas Port Control, this is MB Precision. Last port of call was Port of Iloilo. No security concern. Requesting traffic clearance and pilot boarding instruction. Over.
MB Precision, this is Batangas Port Control. Target traffic clearance guaranteed. Proceed to anchorage area 2. Pilot boarding position is 13 degrees 44.2 minutes north and 121 degrees 01.6 minutes east. Pilot boarding time to be advised. Standby to channel 12. Report any changes in ETA or vessel conditions. Over.
Batangas Port Control, this is MB Precision proceeding to anchorage area 2 standing by on channel 12. I will report any changes. MV Precision out.
Batangas Port Control out.
Thank you for watching.